Hello and welcome to the Scrap Room. I'm Tina Gale, here to share the 3 add-ons we have to coordinate with your flavors of the month. So we start with the cardstock add-on, we have more pattern paper, and more embellishments to add on. So be sure to check all of these out, check out the other kits. Also check out the Shots of Life. I'll have a link to the reveal video at the end of this one, because it has more pattern paper and more embellishments that coordinate with your flavors of the month. So that's also another great add-on. So let's dig in. I'm going to start by sharing the cardstock add-on, and you can see that they coordinate very, very well. Rochelle does an awesome job coordinating the cardstocks. You're going to receive 3 additional cardstocks, and these are not repeats of what's in your kit. These are 3 different colors. You're going to get one sheet of one color and 2 sheets of the other, so that if you want to do double page layouts with cardstock backgrounds, you're able to do that. So let's start with Echo Park, Be Happy. You're going to get 2 sheets of sky and 1 sheet of leaf green. For the Photo Play Serendipity, you're going to get 2 sheets of the Sapphire and 1 sheet of Valentine. Is that not just bright and beautiful there? For the Pink Fresh Lovely Blooms, you're going to get 2 sheets of Coastal and 1 sheet of Shabless. For the Simple Stories Boho Sunshine, you're going to get 2 sheets Pumpkin Patch and 1 sheet of Blush. So lots of beautiful colors. Now we're going to take a look at the pattern paper, and I like keeping them all out here with the cardstocks and the pattern paper so you can really see what you're getting as far as color schemes, to see what you could mix and match. So you can see there's bits of this that could go with the other collections down here with Pink Fresh and Simple Stories. You could also use some of this within Be Happy. So I love mixing and matching patterned papers and embellishments and things from different kits. So just keep that in mind. Okay, for your pattern paper add-on, you're going to receive 2 additional pattern papers that are not duplicates. So I love my pattern paper. Starting with Echo Park, Be Happy, we have this really fun little yellow floral print. It also has the little hexagons, the little honeybee hive with the bees. The back is a white polka dot on black. That paper is happy as can be. We have Be Friends, which is a gingham plaid in yellow. More of the little bees with their little buzz trail. For the Photo Play paper Serendipity, we have this fun paper with all of the speech bubbles. This would be great to fussy cut apart. Save some of this to make little cards, also to add embellishments to other things. It's a lot of fun. And the back is a cut apart with all kinds of fun shapes and sizes. I love it when they do this. You color me happy, currently. These are always a lot of fun to start your journaling. This was an amazing day, week, month, year. So a great catch up for the record. Really like that paper. This paper is one of a kind, so it's a butterfly. I hope you can see all of the detailing in that. It's just gorgeous. That reminds me of a Paige Evans. The back is a yellow, and it's kind of a play on a stripe. We have just like the little hashtags going. For Lovely Blooms from Pink Fresh, we have this that's a play on like a rainbow, so you could put it any direction that you wanted. That's a lot of fun. The back is a kind of a floral print, an abstract floral type. Then we have this beautiful floral on the green. This paper is called Keep Growing, and the back is a 2-toned peachy pink floral. For the Simple Stories Boho Sunshine, this beautiful butterfly. This kind of reminds me of Vicki Boutin's butterfly. I think it was hers. Gorgeous. Again, lots of detail on those little tiny butterflies. Fun to fussy cut all of those, even though they're small. Take a strip to do borders. And then we have the floral on the back. That paper was called Be You, if I didn't say that. Then we have this paper with the different colors of daisies. This paper is called Groovy, and you can tell from this print here, that's where that name comes from. That's a very 70s icon look. So one more look at all of the pattern paper in your add-on. So much fun. So be sure to get that added. Our final add-on is the embellishment add-on. So this is always a lot of fun. Starting with your Echo Park Be Happy collection, you're going to get half a pack of the frames and tags ephemera pieces. So these will vary, but lots of options, so many cute embellishments. For the Photo Play Serendipity, you're going to get the 12 by 12 sticker sheet. So we have this border down here, which is a notebook edge. Let me pull that up so you can see it. That's a ledger print, so I love that. Lots of word labels and arrows, some fun words for titles, awesome, fabulous, happy, you and me. We've got little tabs. We have this speech bubble up here, which has hi. Let's see if I can pull it up so you can really see it, because I didn't even notice that at first glance, but it has hi punched out of the top. Hopefully that will show up. So lots of little sneaky things going on that you don't see at first glance. Love that. For the Lovely Blooms Pink Fresh, you're going to get some of the puffy phrases here. So these will vary as well, but lots of options. I love that. The Simple Stories Boho Sunshine, you're going to get a roll of washi tape. Again, this will vary. I got the row with the little suns, and half a pack of the enamel dots. So you get all the different colors of the enamel dots for that collection. But again, you can see how well some of the things can kind of mix and match together. So that is your 3 add-ons. Be sure to check out all the other items available in the store, the other kits. We have so much going on at the Facebook group, and we love to have you join in with us. Just chat, encourage each other, share your projects, and see what the design team and everyone else is creating. It's so much fun over there. So thanks so much for watching, and we can't wait to see what you create with your kids.